Hello everyone. Good day. So I hope you're watching this video and it will help, especially to those people who are asking what's the new comp plan of my Moringa. So actually, it's not something new. It happened before when my Moringa started. So diretso-diretso na ho tayo. So let me just go ahead and skip this part. It is called simplified comp plan, and it's because from the word itself, it's simple. Okay. So let me just skip this part here. First, it's not the hub. Hub is 49,800 with 750 worth of 93,750. So if you are, if you sold that in SRP, so SRP natin is still 125. So may profit ho tayo ng 43,950. Okay? So yun pa rin as same as before, you have exclusive rights. So in your area, kayo lang ho yung hub dyan, kayo ho yung magsusupply ng distributors, retailers, and even, if may gustong mag-direct na bumili sa inyo in the retail price, then it's always fine. Okay? And then profit from wholesale distribution. So price per bottle once you are recognized as hub, automatically meron kayong 38 38 ho per bottle na lang yung kuha ninyo from the main office. So imagine that, di ba? Additional support. Assign account manager to guide you and assist your operations because it's also important, what's working with other provinces and other hubs, no? We would be more than happy to share. And also if you have concerns, issues with the orders, stocks, and everything, so there's someone you can reach out into. Okay. And then proper onboarding process to ensure fully understanding of the business model. So self-explanatory. We'll go ahead and give you some materials, mga brochure, tarpaulin that is, like personalized so sa inyo. Okay? And also we will teach you how to like optimize your Facebook, like page o ano pa yung mga strategies na pwede natin gamitin. So we also have training available. Okay? Next sub-distributor, 5,800 only with 100 bottles worth of 12,500 if sold SRP. So, meron ho kayong worth 6,700 na bottle. Okay? And then once you are recognized as sub-distributor, automatically, yung bili nyo ho sa hub, right, is 58. Okay? Additional support, account manager, same as, meron ho tayong account manager dyan to make sure that you are being taken care of. Onboarding and materials, soft copy, and then local promotions. So, whenever we travel or meron ho tayong mga dedicated account manager, which means if gusto nyo hong mag online, tawag ito, parang seminar or online, like BOM, should I say. So, kasali na ho yan. Alright, retailer, yun po yung ating pangmasa. Still the same as before, 1,000. With 10 bottles for 1,250 or 1,250. So profit niyan is 250. Okay? So once you are a starter pack or retailer, 75 na lang ho yung kuha natin per bottle. Right? So additional support still same lang ho yan. We will never left you hanging. So ganun lang ho kasimple yung company plan. If you have any questions, just let us know and we'll be more than happy to answer all of your questions. Thank you so much.